Hello everyone! I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to set up keyboard and mouse. Let's begin! Let's start! First, I'll explain the settings when your keyboard does not have a numpad. Select Preferences from Edit on the header menu. When the preference is displayed, select the Input tab and then check Emulate Numpad. Then we can use the numeric keys from 0 to 9 of the main keyboard instead of the numeric keys of the numpad keyboard. Next, I'll explain settings when using a 2-button mouse that doesn't have a middle mouse button. Blender is designed on the assumption that you use a 3-button mouse, so you need to be sure to do this setting if you're using a 2-button mouse. As before, select Preferences from Edit in the header menu. When Preferences is displayed, open the Input tab and check Emulate 3-button mouse. Then, Alt plus left mouse action will replace the middle mouse action. The lecture on how to set up keyboard and mouse ends here. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye!